The Weber BabyQ step-by-step casserole recipe with a new attachment. The ingredients for my go-to and favorite sausage casserole. First, in with the oil. Then I add the peppers, the onion, the garlic, the black pepper, the chili, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After that, I turn the sausage, add the potato, add a little bit of water with the lid on, a cinnamon stick, 3 cloves. There's 1, 2, 3. In they go, and let that simmer for another 10 minutes. Then I add the sauce with the Maggi chicken Chasseur and the beef stock, and let that simmer for 15 minutes while I take the sausage off. The BabyQ was on a low setting the whole time. After that 15 minutes, I add back the sausage, let it go for 5 minutes, test it, turn off all the burners, let it rest for 15, and dish up. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.